What's up guys? Welcome back to rackoflam. Before I begin, I just want to give a quick shout out to my nephew, Tyler Shen, a young teenager who's doing big things and is a creator behind a growing YouTube channel devoted to various content, including gaming and opening Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh packs. So if you're interested in that type of content or have kids who may be interested, head straight to the description box below so you can provide him with some support by subscribing to his channel. So in today's video, I will be sharing a simple recipe for ginger coconut jelly using a ginger coconut milk instant beverage from Prince of Peace or Thai Tea Pie. It's almost like the coconut jelly that you'd find during dim sum, referred to as ye tepko in Cantonese, but with a ginger kick. So if you're interested in the recipe or product by Prince of Peace, please keep watching. And if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.